Now, before we get started with this video, let me tell you, it is going to be a very uncomfortable, very fast-paced, very obnoxious video for most of you viewers. So, if you guys get easily disturbed by screaming, like so, go ahead and click out of this video right now, and if you're one of those people who are going to be like,
oh my gosh, you're an idiot, you're absolutely so immature and obnoxious,
go ahead and unsubscribe and never visit my channel again. This video is dedicated to Nick. I have been in love with his voice, his screaming voice for years now. So we're going to give you a little action-packed video. He's going to be screaming at everyone we see in public. Alright, we're going to go ahead and stop wasting your guys' time and get this video started. And without further ado, let's get to the screamers. Here we go, boys. Get out of the road! Get out of the road! Get off the road! What did I tell you, boys, on the bicycle? Get off of the damn road! I said get out! No! Hey! So here he goes, here he goes. Oh my gosh. What the heck was that?
Alright then.
Everyone was staring at you. No, the guy came in the bathroom. They literally all ran to the bathroom. Hey! Hey! I'm gonna get a Mountain Dew Baja Blast. Did you get all that? Thank you! We didn't see it at the window! Why did you lock the car when we were looking at it through the window? Learn how to drive, jackass! Alright everybody, that concludes this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell!